Every year, 15 million babies are born too early. This is the largest cause of death among newborns and results in more than 1 million deaths annually. Babies that are born before 37 weeks of pregnancy have very low birth weight, underdeveloped organs, difficulties breathing, as well as feeding. In other words, they have to be put on life support as soon as they are born. To treat these babies, doctors use a catheter to give them intravenous nutrition, medicine, as well as to monitor their vital signs. Here, the placement of the catheter tip is extremely important, as it directly influences the effectiveness of the treatment. Obviously, once the catheter is inserted into the body, the doctors have no idea where it is. So what do? They expose the baby to large amounts of radiation in order to find the tip. And this is a huge problem, because some babies can receive up to 30 X-rays in the first month of life. Because these babies are so small, their entire body is exposed to radiation, from head to toe. And because their cellular activity is the highest in this stage of life than any other, the risk of cancer induction is thought to be up to 9 times higher than in an adult. In addition to this, in some parts of the world, newborns don't have access to this form of life support because the required equipment is just too expensive. Surely, in a time of smart devices, there must be a better way to do this. By working with pediatric surgeons, we developed a new method to track the catheter tip. By combining a biocompatible magnet on a catheter with a handheld sensing device, our system guides the surgeon when placing the catheter. To achieve this, we developed a proprietary algorithm that maps the magnetic field profile of the catheter and determines not only the position, but as well as the orientation and the depth without exposing the baby to any radiation. And the best part? Our system costs a fraction of the price of an X-ray machine, making it affordable and accessible everywhere in the world. And our system is fully portable. This will allow us to reduce the X-ray exposure on newborns in a time when they are most vulnerable, improve the quality of survival and standard of healthcare worldwide, and crucially, bring the standard of healthcare to rural and impoverished areas all around the world where it's needed most. So, let's give all babies a fair chance. Thank you.